Are you sure the gas you're filling up with every week isn't quietly damaging your engine? It sounds hard to believe, but using just one of the dangerous brands on this list can clog your fuel injectors, build up heavy carbon deposits, make your engine sluggish, and eventually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs that were completely avoidable. In this video, we'll break down the worst gas station brands drivers should avoid at all costs, along with safer alternatives that help keep your engine cleaner, stronger, and far more reliable. Choosing the right fuel can literally save your entire car. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. BP, British Petroleum. BP is one of the more reliable fuel brands when it comes to keeping engines clean and running smoothly over the long term. Its biggest advantage is the Invigorate additive package, a blend of detergents and antioxidants designed to prevent injector deposits, limit carbon buildup on intake valves, and keep the combustion chamber operating smoothly over time. For turbocharged and direct injection engines, which are especially prone to carbon buildup, BP's fuel helps improve throttle response and noticeably reduces light knocking during acceleration. Many drivers who switch from cheaper fuel brands to BP notice improvements within a short time. More stable RPM at red lights, better acceleration when merging or passing, cleaner spark plugs, and even slightly improved fuel economy. More importantly, BP meets the top-tier standard, meaning every gallon contains far more detergents than the EPA minimum. Stronger additives help prevent deposits from forming in the first place instead of waiting for the engine to lose performance before dealing with the buildup. For drivers who don't use their cars often or leave them parked for long periods, BP fuel also stays stable longer, reducing the risk of fuel degradation over time. 10. Kroger Gasoline. Kroger Gasoline often attracts drivers with its discount rewards program, but the real issue lies in the fuel quality behind that appealing price. Most Kroger stations are not top-tier certified, meaning their detergent levels are significantly lower than those of major fuel brands. In modern engines, especially direct injection engines, weak detergent packages allow carbon buildup to form much faster, dirtying injectors and causing the engine to run sluggishly, even if it was recently serviced. Another concern is that Kroger sources fuel from multiple suppliers, so quality can vary dramatically by region. Your car may run smoothly after filling up today, but at a different Kroger station just weeks later, you might notice shaking at red lights or unusually slow acceleration. Mechanics have also reported many cases of quickly blackened spark plugs and thick carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber in vehicles that regularly use Kroger fuel. In addition, because many Kroger stations operate on low overhead, tank maintenance and filtration aren't always performed to proper standards. If you fill up while the underground tanks are being refilled or after heavy rain, the risk of pumping water or sediment from the bottom of the tank is even higher. For sensitive engines like turbocharged models or hybrids, just a few tanks of low-quality gas can noticeably reduce performance. 9. Love's Travel Stop Gasoline. Love's Travel Stop is a familiar stop for long-distance drivers thanks to its convenience, large lots, and 24/7 access. But when it comes to fuel quality, this is a brand many drivers should think twice about. The first concern comes from inconsistent sourcing. Every Love's station may receive fuel from different distributors, meaning the additive levels and cleanliness of the fuel can vary widely between regions. For newer vehicles, this inconsistency alone can cause slower throttle response, unstable RPM, or a noticeable heavy feeling when accelerating. Another major issue is the extremely high volume of trucks and long-haul vehicles fueling at Love's, which forces the underground tanks to be refilled constantly. Every time a tanker truck pumps fuel into the storage tank, sediment at the bottom gets stirred up. And if you happen to fill up at that moment, it's very easy for that debris to end up in your tank. Mechanics often report cases where customers who frequently fuel at Love's experience hesitation, light jerking during acceleration, or fuel system-related trouble codes caused by unusually dirty fuel filters. In addition, some Love stations are located in regions with harsh weather where condensation in underground tanks is more common. Even a small amount of water mixed into the fuel can cause engine shaking, uneven combustion, and significantly shorten injector life. For turbocharged or direct injection engines, the risk is even greater because high-pressure injection systems are extremely sensitive to contaminants. Comment 1 if you've ever filled up at the wrong station, too. 8. Shell. Among the major high-standard fuel brands, Shell often ranks at the top thanks to its ability to both protect the engine and noticeably improve performance. The biggest strength of Shell fuel lies in its V-Power Nitro Plus formula, an additive package designed to address 3 major problems common in modern engines: carbon buildup, friction, and corrosion. Shell fuel contains far more detergents than EPA requirements, helping gradually clean injectors, combustion chambers, and intake components with every fill-up. Many drivers who use Shell report smoother engine operation, better acceleration, and fewer hiccups during gear changes. For turbocharged or high-compression engines, Shell fuel helps reduce knocking under heavy load or when climbing hills. V-Power Nitro Plus also contains corrosion inhibitors that protect the fuel system from rust and premature wear, especially important for vehicles driven in humid environments or areas with frequent temperature swings. What's remarkable is that using Shell consistently over time helps the engine maintain long-term stability, smoother idle, quieter operation, and more consistent fuel economy compared to cheaper fuel brands. For vehicles that spend a lot of time in city traffic, Shell also helps reduce deposits that tend to form during prolonged low-load operation. 7th, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is one of the few fuel brands that maintains strong, consistent quality nationwide, largely due to its Synergy technology, an additive package designed to both clean and protect the internal components of the fuel system. One standout feature of ExxonMobil fuel is its high detergent content, which exceeds EPA requirements and meets top-tier standards. As a result, injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers accumulate noticeably less carbon over time. For vehicles that spend most of their life in stop-and-go traffic, where sudden throttle changes are common, ExxonMobil's cleaner fuel helps the engine stay smooth and reduces the feeling of running out of breath during hard acceleration. Drivers who use Synergy fuel long-term often notice that the car feels more responsive, with less knocking and sharper throttle feedback. The Synergy formula also contains corrosion inhibitors that reduce moisture-related damage, a common issue in colder climates or regions with frequent temperature fluctuations. This helps fuel pumps, injectors, and fuel lines maintain better durability over time. Another benefit is more efficient combustion. Finer atomization and cleaner burn characteristics help the engine run more consistently, even as the vehicle ages. This is particularly valuable for turbocharged engines, because even a small amount of carbon buildup on intake valves or injectors can result in immediate power loss. 6. 7-Eleven gas. 7-Eleven gas is one of the most controversial fuel brands because the quality varies drastically from station to station. The reason is simple. Most 7-Eleven stations operate under a franchise model, meaning each location may source its fuel from a different supplier. You might fill up at one station today and the car runs smoothly, but a few weeks later, fill up at another location and suddenly the engine feels heavy, throttle response slows, and you hear light knocking when going uphill. With no consistent standard, drivers never truly know whether they're getting good quality fuel or just low-grade gasoline with minimal additives. Many drivers who have used 7-Eleven fuel long-term report issues such as pinging, light vibration at red lights, unusually fast spark plug fouling, and occasional check engine lights related to fuel mixture. For direct injection engines, which are already sensitive to carbon buildup, fuel with weak detergents accelerates deposit formation on intake valves, causing the engine to lose responsiveness over time. Another risk comes from inconsistent tank and filter maintenance between stations. Some locations in humid areas or with low customer traffic are more prone to water accumulation in underground tanks, which can dilute the fuel or introduce contaminants. And if you fill up right when the tanks are being refilled, the sediment at the bottom gets stirred up and is far more likely to enter your fuel system. The result? Hesitation during acceleration, rough running, or noticeably worse fuel economy. 5. Chevron. Chevron is one of the most frequently recommended names when it comes to high-quality fuel, and the reason is Techron, one of the strongest detergent additive packages widely used in the U.S. What sets Chevron apart is that Techron doesn't merely keep clean, it also gradually cleans existing deposits, making it especially effective for engines that have begun showing signs of buildup on injectors or intake valves. For city-driven vehicles that constantly experience stop-and-go traffic and low-load operation, Chevron fuel helps maintain a more stable combustion mixture, reduces light vibration, and minimizes hesitation during sudden acceleration. Many drivers who use Chevron for a few months notice smoother throttle response, more stable RPM at red lights, and more consistent fuel economy. This is especially important for GDI, gasoline direct injection engines, where carbon buildup on intake valves is a common cause of power loss and throttle lag. Techron slows this process by preventing new deposits from forming and gradually breaking down old carbon layers. In addition, Chevron fuel has excellent stability. In climates with frequent temperature swings, its additive package helps reduce oxidation and maintain fuel energy longer, particularly useful for cars that aren't driven regularly. 4. Murphy USA. Murphy USA stations are often found in Walmart parking lots, making them extremely convenient and usually cheaper. But fuel quality is what many drivers need to think carefully about. Most Murphy stations are not top-tier certified, meaning their detergent levels are lower than what's needed to keep injectors and combustion chambers clean over time. For direct injection engines, the lack of strong detergents leads to faster carbon buildup, causing light vibration at idle, slower acceleration, or reduced throttle sensitivity. Another issue is that many Murphy stations operate with low overhead, resulting in inconsistent tank and filter maintenance. If the underground tank contains condensation or sediment that hasn't been properly cleaned, the risk of contaminated fuel increases significantly. When poor quality fuel enters a high-pressure injection system, drivers may experience jerking, hesitation, or even fuel mixture-related error codes. Drivers who use Murphy fuel long-term often report increased fuel consumption, faster spark plug fouling, and an overall heavier feel when driving. These effects don't appear immediately, but they gradually accumulate with each tank, reducing performance so slowly that most drivers don't notice until the car goes in for service. 3. Arco. Arco is well known for having cheaper prices, especially in states like California. But that budget-friendly factor comes with risks many drivers aren't aware of. A large number of Arco stations are not top-tier certified, meaning the detergent content is only at the EPA minimum level. For modern engines, especially turbocharged and direct injection engines, weak additives allow carbon to build up quickly on injectors and intake valves, leading to sluggish acceleration, slower throttle response, and light knocking under heavy load. Another inconvenience is that Arco often charges a transaction fee when paying by card, which means the savings aren't always as good as they appear. But the bigger issue is inconsistent fuel quality between regions. Some stations use decent suppliers, while others source cheaper fuel. This inconsistency causes driving performance to fluctuate. Sometimes the engine runs smoothly, other times it feels sluggish and burns more fuel than usual. 2. Quick Trip is a brand that confuses many drivers because the feedback is extremely mixed. Some stations provide good quality fuel, but many others are not top-tier certified, leading to wide differences in performance. This makes filling up at Quick Trip almost a gamble. If you happen to stop at a station that uses weak additive packages, the engine can show symptoms like hesitation, dull throttle response, or light knocking on hills. Clear signs that the combustion mixture is no longer optimal. The issue becomes even more noticeable with turbocharged or direct injection engines. These engines are very sensitive to carbon buildup, so fuel with low detergent levels leads to faster deposits on intake valves and injectors. Many drivers report that after a few months of consistently filling up at Quick Trip, their car begins to shake at idle. The RPM fluctuates, or the engine loses the peppy feel it used to have. On automotive forums, complaints about dirty injectors or early combustion chamber cleaning associated with Quick Trip are very common. Another risk involves uneven maintenance of storage tanks and filters between locations. Stations in humid areas often experience water accumulation in their tanks, leading to diluted fuel or contamination. And if you fill up right when the underground tank is being refilled, stirred up sediment can easily enter your fuel system, causing the engine to jerk, struggle to start, or throw fuel mixture-related error codes. 1. Safeway gasoline. Safeway gasoline is often seen as a convenient stop-on-the-way-home option thanks to its neighborhood locations and rewards program. But in terms of fuel quality, this is a brand many drivers should be cautious about. Most Safeway stations are not top-tier certified, which means their detergent levels are basic at best, insufficient to keep injectors and combustion chambers clean over time. Another issue is inconsistent sourcing. Safeway does not refine its own fuel or rely on a single supply network, so each region may receive gasoline from different distributors. As a result, fuel quality varies significantly. Some stations provide smooth performance, while others can degrade engine response after just a couple of tanks. Mechanics frequently report dirty injectors, carbon-coated spark plugs, and early combustion chamber cleaning in cars that regularly use Safeway fuel. Tank and filter maintenance is also not always up to standard. If you refuel when the underground tank is being refilled or after heavy rain, the chance of pumping water or bottom tank sediment increases dramatically. This can cause hard starting, engine shaking, or combustion mixture error codes. Choosing the right fuel doesn't just help your car run smoother. It helps you avoid hidden damage that could cost you thousands down the road. Modern engines are extremely sensitive to fuel quality, so simply changing where you fill up can make your car more durable, more powerful, and far less prone to annoying issues. Did this video help you? Hit subscribe and help us reach 30,000 subscribers.